Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your wallet account on the Cypherium Wallet application. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't logged out from your account on the Cypherium Wallet application, then first of all open it up and you will be taken into the application page right away. Now before logging out from your account, you will need to create a private key password that will allow you to log back in later on. So in order to create your private key password, first of all, tap on your account or the settings icon at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into the settings page. From the settings page, tap on Wallet Tool and then tap on the Export Private Key option. You will then need to enter your private key password, so go ahead and type it in and you will be shown your Export Private Key. Go ahead and tap on the Copy option and make sure you save this private key for later use as well. After saving your private key, go back to the Wallet Tool and tap on Export Key Store. Then after typing in your password, you will once again be able to see your key store, from which you can tap on the Copy Key Store option and save it for future use as well. Now after doing both of these, you have made sure that you are able to access your account later on after logging out. Now in order to log out finally, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will be able to select your wallet. Just slide across the wallet that you want to log out and then you will find the Remove button. Go ahead and tap on the Remove button and you will be asked to enter your private key password. After typing in your private key password, tap on the Confirm button and now you will be logged out from your account from the Cypherium Wallet application safely, and you will also be able to access your account later on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Cypherium Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.